Alright, so in this situation I was asked to help describe how to import XML schemas and related data. So I'm going to demonstrate that at this point. So for this I've got the file open, the Excel file. I'm on the Prospects tab as indicated, and we're down to, I'm going to demonstrate steps 5, 6, and 7. So what we'll do is we will open the XML source pane, and we'll do that through the Developer tab. We will hit Source, and right now there aren't any. If we click the source, the XML is on the side. We'll hit XML Maps. We will hit Add to add a new one. And in this case, we want to add the prospects.xsd file. We'll hit Open. We will hit OK. And on the far right hand side, you now have the details associated. You can do a couple of different ways to map those elements. You can right click on organization, map element on A1 for example. We can move our cursor over, map element on B1, etc. Or you can double click on that, it'll add it as well. So if I'm over on D1, not D2, if I double click project, it'll assign it there. The next part says for step 7, we now need to set the map properties. So if you right click within the XML mapped elements, you now have an XML shortcut. You can hit properties, oops, it disappeared, XML properties. We want to now validate against the import, and we want to append the new data. So validate and append, we'll click OK. The next part then is if you go back to the Developer tab, actually I'm going to click on A2, we'll click on the Developer tab, click Import. In this first case we want Prospects, the first file, so I've got Prospects, the first file here. We'll click Import, and because we've set the properties to append the data, it's added the 4 rows. We'll hit Import again, we'll hit Prospects 2, Import, and it adds the rest of the data. And that's all. Hope you found this helpful.